welcome back to my channel. I am here today to show you how I use this Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. I'm also going to give you my review first. Now, just a little history, I never blow dry my hair, like ever. Partly because, one, I don't have time, and two, because I usually actually take a shower at night, so I just let my hair air dry and then style it in the morning. But right now I have time, it's the weekend, so I'm going to show you how I use this. If I do blow dry my hair, which is very rare, seriously, like once in every 3 or 4 months, I use this, and that's because this is absolutely amazing. This is my favorite hair styling tool I have ever used. So it is a blow dryer and curling iron in one, and obviously it's very big. It's not necessarily round, it is like an oval shape, so it's very different from the regular round brush that you would see or you would normally use in your hair. So my hair is stick straight, like I can't do anything with it. It doesn't hold curl, it doesn't hold shape at all. So I mean, right now obviously it looks straight. It does have a little just slight bend at the end, and that's about it. And honestly, that's as much as they get in a salon when they do my hair with a really tiny round brush. Like, this is it. So the fact that I got this at home with this is pretty good. So here it is. It's black and pink. The part that you would see at the back of a blow dryer normally is situated right here at the bottom. It has 3 settings. It has a high, a low, and a cool. I usually always use low. The reason is because I usually let my hair air dry just slightly before I blow dry it anyway, so I don't need to get it. It's not like soaking wet to completely dry. The second reason is because one of my only complaints is this thing is really, really loud. Because that piece that's normally in the back of the blow dryer that's facing away from you when you blow dry your hair is now right here, and you know, depending on where you are doing it, it's right in your ear. So it is pretty loud. So let's listen. This is the low setting. Okay, this is high. That would be one of my only complaints about this, is it is really, really loud. And especially, like I said, it's going to be right near your ear depending on what you're doing. So it gets really loud really close to your ear. And the other complaint about this is that because of its shape, it is very hard to get the roots of your hair dry. It is fantastic for the ends, but for the roots it's very hard. So like my hair from about here, actually like here down is dry, but here is still pretty wet because you cannot get into your hair that close. So I'm just even going to take like the tiniest piece and show you. Okay, so yes, unless you sit here and hold it here, you're not going to get your roots dry. But I think the whole point of this is not to hold it here. It's to push it, you know, it's to, you know, get the ends more styled. So it is really, really, really hard to get the roots of your hair dry. Other than that, I really have no complaints against it. I think this is an amazing product, especially for the price. There are a million videos recommending this product, and I am going to tell you it is worth it. I would highly recommend, especially if you're like me, where you have a lot of hair, it takes forever to blow dry, and it doesn't really style that well. This makes it so easy. Right now I'm going to show you how I got this with my whole head. Stay tuned. So right now I would say that my hair is 50% dry. I had to take care of just a few things around the house before I sat down to film this. So my hair is naturally straight right out of the shower. This is it. So let's see if we can add some volume with this amazing tool. I am going to just section my hair to make it a little easier. And although I have straight hair, I have a lot of it. Like, everybody's actually really surprised when they get into my hair and they see how much I have. Like, it's actually crazy. So my hair takes forever to dry. So let's see if this can help. I am going to use the low heat setting because, like I said, my hair is about halfway dry already, so I don't need too much to get it to be dry, so I am just going to use low. the technique I'm doing is something new that I haven't really done before. Since the last time that I've used this quite a bit, I've added more layers to my hair. So before I would just do this and then just curl it and curl it and curl it. But I'm finding that when I do that, as you can see when I try this, like if there is some hair back here, but then the shorter layers are falling out. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to like wrap it around and get those layers in a spot too, and then do it. And now, as you can see, everything's tucked in there versus just half of the hair when I try to do it like this. So, I mean, that's new. I normally don't do that, but I feel like that's what's working right now to get every hair in there. Okay, so as you can see, as I took the very last section out, it started to kink up from the clip that I had it in. So let's see if this can straighten it out.